Moin Akhtar December 24, 1950 April 22, 2011 was a Pakistani television film, stage actor, humorist, comedian, impersonator and a host, writer, singer, director and producer who rose to fame in the era of Radio Pakistan along with his co-actors Anwer, Maqsood and Bushra Ansari. He became a worldwide icon through his screen persona Rosy and is considered one of the most important figures in the history of the film industry of subcontinent. His career spanned more than 45 years from childhood in the Radio Pakistan era of modern film making until a year before his death in 2011. Early life. Akhtar was born in Karachi, Pakistan. His family had migrated to Pakistan after partition of India in 1947. He usually avoided vulgarity in his humor. Akhtar was fluent in several languages including English, Bengali, Sindhi, Punjabi, Memoni, Pashto, Gujarati and Urdu. Career. Akhtar started his acting career as child actor at the age of 13. He played the character of Shylock in Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice in theater. For Akhtar's sense of humor was highly dynamic and versatile. He made his debut for television on September 6, 1966 in the variety show held on PTV to celebrate the first Defense Day of Pakistan. He started off as a stand-up comedian in 1966 by impersonating Hollywood actor Anthony Quinn and one of John F. Kennedy's speeches. In that he also mimicked the voice of the former president. Since then he had performed several roles in TV stage shows, later teamed up with Anwer, Maqsood and Bushra Ansari. 2. Rosy. Akhtar rose to the national spotlight and gathered critical acclaim for his performance in the drama Rosy, in which he played a role of a female TV artist. Rosy was an Urdu adaptation of Hollywood movie Tootsie starring Dustin Hoffman. He called it one of his favorite on-screen characters that he played talk shows edit in a talk show namely Loose Talk, which began in 1995 on Mary Digital. He appeared as a different character in each and every episode with a total of over 400 episodes. Interviewed by the TV host Anwer Maqsood, who was also the writer of the program, Akhtar also briefly hosted the game show Kaap Banating E Crorepati, the Pakistani version of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. He hosted shows involving major personalities and had performed on stage alongside the Indian legends Dilip Kumar, Lata Mangeshkar and Madhuri Dixit, to name a few. Television drama serials. Akhtar acted in several films, sitcom dramas, hosted many TV talk shows. Some of them are shown below. For television name of drama genre PTV Rosy 1 theatrical film PTV I'd Train theatrical film PTV Studio Die stage show PTV Studio Pony Teen stage show NTM Studio Charlies stage show PTV Showtime TV drama PTV Show Sha TV drama PTV Yes Sir No Sir hosting stage show PTV Apika and the Maqsood stage show PTV Moin Akhtar show stage show PTV Such Much stage show Mary Digital Loose Talk talk show PTV Half-Late TV show PTV Family 93 TV show PTV 50/50 TV show TV1 Mirza or Amina TV drama PTV Hello TV show PTV Intizar Armay TV show PTV Dollar Man TV show PTV Makan No 47 TV drama PTV Bangar Road Southeast Canary TV drama PTV Angan Tira TV drama PTV Baby TV drama PTV After TV drama PTV Guam TV drama TV1 Hadar Yale Bani TV drama Geo TV Kutch Such Much TV drama Geo TV Such Much Keyide TV drama Geo TV Such Much AA Election TV drama NTM Noker KAGG Her TV drama PTV Chow Chan Go Out TV drama PTV KIA Bain Bob TV drama PTV Bakrakistan Pay for TV comedy show host. He hosted shows in which the following dignitaries were invited. King Hussein of Jordan was invited. The Prime Minister of Gambia, the Wadi Al-Jaza, was invited. President Zia Ul-Haq was invited. Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was invited. President General Yahya Khan was invited. President Ghulam Ishaq Khan was invited. President Pervez Musharraf was invited, and he mimicked the president in his presence. Legendary Indian film actor Dilip Kumar was invited songs and albums. Album Taraf Dil by Un Hai Tad Khor K Johnny Whale chose Jibber Pay Kai Hai ROK Dr Hai Taraf Dil by Un Hai Tad Dark High Surf Dil Ko Milat Dil ROR Hai Hoden Hai Biwapa Death and Legacy. He died on April 22, 2011 at about 4:30 p.m. in Karachi after suffering from a heart attack. He is survived by his wife, 3 daughters and near his residence. Thousands of people attended the funeral prayer, which was led by Junaid Jah Messaged. The world-famous wax museum Madame Tussauds has expressed its wish to include the statue of Moin Akhtar in their London museum. If the statue is eventually made, it will be the first of its kind for any Pakistani entertainer. Renowned Indian film actor Nana Patekar said on his death that Moin Akhtar was also famous in India due to his humor and will be missed there. ALS 0